What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Look at how messy this is. Different stores. We got mulch. We got this. And we got all of this going on. Crazy. We know absolutely nothing about gardening, but we do know that we're stuck in the house till probably at least May 8th. So we're gonna start doing a garden in the back. Well, my sister-in-law is. And I'm gonna be back there trying to paint the fence that me and my buddy pressure washed paint off of and never finished. And it looks completely horrendous. So I'm gonna try to make that white so it doesn't look as bad. And yeah, I was gonna film walking into Home Depot. Very surreal experience. Everybody's got masks and gloves on, so we're at that level, right? And they're ushering you in through one entrance. When somebody leaves, another person's allowed in, so they're keeping track of the minimum and maximum amount of people in the building, which is nice. Everything's clean. They're cleaning shopping carts before each person touches them with their hands, even though, you know, everybody's got gloves anyway. It's just, you know, it's stuff to get used to. It's not a permanent thing, but it is one of those things that's, you just gotta do and do your part. So this is what we got. Again, I don't know anything about anything when it comes to stuff. We got eggplant coming and stuff. I mean, I told my sister-in-law this pandemic will probably be over long before anything starts sprouting out of the ground, but we'll see. It's something to keep our minds off stuff, mess with the backyard a little bit. I've been wanting to fix it up. We just never really had the time or the patience, and now we have tons of everything, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll show you what the backyard fence looks like, and I guess I'll show you kind of sort of what it looks like when we're done doing stuff. Again, I'm not going to have any hand in the garden itself. The painting's probably going to come out looking like crap. I wanted to buy rattle cans of white spray paint. I was going to just plasti dip the fence. I don't really give a shit at this point, but it is what it is. However it looks, and it's definitely going to be an improvement over what you're about to see. This is pressure washed. You can tell the lines, and you can see the marks, and I broke a couple pieces, but yeah, that's a Christmas tree, and yes, it is April. Horrible. But we're gonna paint this and this. Oh, you'll see what it looks. There we go. Let me just show off our handiwork here. It's so bad because we got broken slats still. Listen, it's got character. What do we call it? Rustic antique. That's what we're gonna call this. Still looks a whole hell of a lot better than it did though. And then we're gonna do plants tomorrow. I want a fucking birdhouse. That's a birdhouse?
I was thinking I want to build one.
Well, I don't know about building. I don't want to build a birdhouse. I want to buy a birdhouse, Gina. Do you know what would make this yard so much better? If we had like a nice big tree in that corner, and it had like not super big, but like enough where it would be, I don't know, some shelter. Like you say you had your hammock idea, and say you had it like that. Say it was like a one of those like wishbone looking trees. You can set up like even a tire swinger. I don't know. I'm gonna get out of here. Is that Savannah's?
Yep.
Oh my god, I should have caught her with paint in her hair. That would have been funny. Alright guys, that's pretty much the gist of it. Went to the store, did a little bit of painting. Tomorrow we're gonna do some gardening, so I'll probably throw that in there and then post it. We ended up picking my daughter's room up. It's just some regular BS small fan, because I'm not entirely sure, but she seems to be getting too warm in that room. This is a mess. I gotta figure this out. What's going on, guys? It's the next day. I was thinking about how silly it was. I should have probably pulled the camera out to try to like film painting and stuff, but it's like, if you haven't seen somebody moving a paintbrush or a roller in your lifetime, then I don't know, just me, and you know, I think that would have been even more boring to watch than all of the other stuff that I put out. So that's what it is right now. You know, since we're doing vloggy stuff, and I'm gonna have this as a continuation of yesterday, I'm actually heading toward my office. I'm not allowed to have customers in the office yet, but I'm still allowed to function in the office with everything closed. So I'm just gonna go in there and I'm gonna see if I can get some stuff done. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna see if I can get some stuff done, accomplish a few goals that I have today, phone call wise, and you know, just take care of a couple things. And then I'm gonna head back to town. I'm gonna see if I could pick up a couple more tools for gardening and whatnot. It should be good to go as far as trying to do something in the backyard. I haven't really figured out what we're gonna do. Me and my sister-in-law have absolutely no experience really when it comes to gardening of any sort, so she's the one that like researched everything and decided on what flowers and plants and stuff to buy to make things look better. It's more of a, you know, coronavirus time hobby to, I guess, the whole idea behind it was to just take our minds off of everything that was going on, because it's just been very crazy. I don't feel like it's gonna last a long time more, but I feel like right now when the warmer weather's coming back, that you know, it's weighing more on our minds that we're stuck inside the house. So let's just see what we get into today. The hilariousness that the tiller we went to go buy, the company's name, Corona. Update before dinner. We had to run out and go get this tool, the Corona tool. So we're making some progress. All right, guys, I'll show you the progress we made. We're gonna finish it off tomorrow. We're losing sunlight. I'm tired. Wow, the lighting is so bad right now, and it's like GoPro is trying so hard to keep it looking lit. I know I'm gonna get made fun of for posting this by somebody that knows what they're doing with gardening.
Well, someone's gonna fuck themselves because we figured it out on our own.
Well, we don't know if we figured anything out, to be honest with you.
What?
We have no idea if we figured anything out.
I think we're doing good so far.
Giant mounds of chaos. We know what we need to do next? Lighting. We need better lighting out here. I don't think you could see too much. I mean, on this camera, it kind of looks like we did something. It looks like we're digging, like, ditches for bodies. Like, these could be like little caskets. This is our bodies would be laying in there. This is gonna be a big garden. This video is gonna be atrocious. Oh wow, that looks so much lighter when I point it up. All right, I'm gonna take a shower now. I'm absolutely drained. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this disaster, this lovely disaster unfold. I don't know why I get any views on these types of videos, but apparently, don't mind me, I'm trying to drive off my grass. Apparently you, some of you actually like these videos. So if you find value in it, congratulations, I appreciate that. I have literally never done tilling or any kind of work like that before, and honestly it takes your mind off stuff. So, you know, my gloves, they really didn't help that much. So yeah, it definitely took my mind off what's going on, and it was pretty fun. But yeah, I got some batteries to charge, including my own. I got my own battery to recharge, so I don't want to make this any longer than it probably already is. I would have filmed more, but I know that it's really not that fun for somebody to sit there hopefully and watch me pulling up dirt and weeds and whatnot. So, but that's what happened the last 2 days. I was gonna do a single video on each day, but there just wasn't enough on day one, and I haven't really been filming too much. I'm trying to get stuff done and I'm balancing trying to maintain my office and then this, and I do have a lot of videos planned. I'm gonna keep doing this vlog thing if you guys say it's worth doing. But anyway, that's really all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, thank you for sticking around. Please do me a favor, turn that bell notification on so I could try to get more views. I feel like not everybody is knowing when my videos are posted, and that stinks because, you know, it would be cool to see more views and more comments and more likes and or more dislikes, whatever you guys are up to. So, but just do that if you care. If not, that's all right. I still love you. But either way, I'll see you guys on the next one. I hope everybody's safe, and God bless.